Hello everyone, Nadeem here with PC.Solutions.Net. Um, I got this question just a couple of days ago. How can users identify an email that originated outside the company? So we all know we're getting a lot of these kind of phishing scams where the name of the person in the from field is somebody in the business, but the actual email address is something totally irrelevant. So, there's an easy fix for that. Here's the problem. The problem is Outlook, which a lot of people use, does not by default show the email address in the from field. It will show just the name. So as long as the name has somebody who's in your organization, then the user, the recipient of that email is going to think, hey, it's that user, because they're not seeing the full email address. They're not seeing their domain. If they were able to see their domain, then they will know that it actually came from somebody else, like, joeblow@gmail.com or whatever. So the fix for this is that you need to set up a rule to tag all emails that originate from outside the company. Now you can do this several ways. One is you can insert a certain word within the subject line. So every email that comes from outside the company might say star 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 external star 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 and then the original subject line. Or you can add a little notice up towards the top of that email. You can have like a little in the notice bar, you can have a little red bar that will say this email originated outside the company, blah, blah, blah. And that could be in red color. But that notice, it's such a slim line of text, it's easy to miss. So I prefer to prepend a word, a keyword to the subject line, because everybody reads the subject line. Well, I say everybody should read the subject line before opening up an email. So, if you're not doing this, go ahead and have your admins update your rules so that you see some kind of notice in the subject line if the email originated outside the company. And that way anybody can pretend to be anybody within the company, but the recipients will know. And that's an easy fix. It doesn't cause any issues, doesn't create a lot of load on the server, doesn't do anything. I mean, it's just an easy fix. So that's it for now. It's just a quick tip that we recommend highly to all companies out there to do this. But then there are still customers and prospects and people I talk to that don't know how to fix this issue. And they go down the rabbit hole of trying to chase Microsoft to fix Outlook so that it will show you the full email address as opposed to just the name. And that's a lost cause. Just update the rule, prepend something to the subject line, boom, it's done. Thanks a lot, folks, for tuning in. We'll see you again Friday. So until then, everybody have a great day.